Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So this is a video that's just basically talking about the prediction contest from the Open League, right? So if you want to know what the Open League is about, I have posted about it in my previous video. I'm also going to add the description, the link to the description so that you could easily find it. So this particular prediction contest is basically a fun challenge that you have to predict the five teams top teams, the five top teams, right? At the end of the Open League season one. I told you there are three seasons, season one, two, and three. So in April, in this month, we are having the season one. So you have just to predict the top five who are going to be like at the end of the season, who are going to be the top five, basically, right? Ranking them accurately at the top of the standings. And the prize pool for this fun activity is 50,000 ton coin, right? Okay, so how do we join? Basically, let's go through the entire process. So the first says that we are supposed to open the open league bot. Sorry, you connect your wallet, and your wallet must have at least 5 ton. Next, you rank the teams, and you complete the quests for each team. You send a blank transaction to confirm your prediction, and that is it. So the predictions can be made until April 19th, right? And then the distribution will be made um, in accordance to what they have in the database and if you're able to predict correctly. So the rewards will be distributed equally among all the users who make the correct predictions. So if, let's say, 10 people make 5 over 5 correct predictions, it's just the 10 people who are going to share the 25,000 ton. If it is 100 people, they share. If it is 1,000 people, they share. So that's how it's going to be. 4 out of 5 correct. So the number of people who get it will share. And then 3 out of 5 correct. So the number of people who get it will also share. All right, so let's move right into making our prediction, right? So we are going to click on open league bots, come down here and then use the get rewards. Then we move on to this banner, predict. So we connect our wallet. So we open in Telegram, right? So at least you need to have 5 ton in your wallet in order to do this, right? So I've connected my wallet. Let's connect it. Okay. Right. So this opens up for us. So now we have all the projects here. Um, so these are the projects. Now our task here is that we are supposed to arrange them into the top five. So after you arrange it in the top five, what you have to do is to open each of them, if each of them in your top five. So for example, I open probably this one. So once you open each of the projects in your top five, you'll be given specific tasks to go through, right? So they'll tell you to discover the dust, deposit liquidity, all those kind of stuff. So you go through all of them. So each of these tasks, each of these projects will give you specific quest or tasks to do, and you need to complete each of them before you will be like all set for this prediction contest, right? So I hope you found this insightful. Let's head on straight. And if you have at least 5 ton, find your wallet. I use the Telegram wallet, right? The wallet built in Telegram. You can use any other external wallet